Get ready, start. A careful reading of the policy contained in letter dated 9/10/2003 shows that with a view to strengthen and rationalize the staffing pattern, the Ministry of Railways had undertaken review of certain cadres. Stop. The basis of the review was functional, operational, and administrative requirement of the railways. Stop. This exercise was intended to improve the efficiency of administration by providing incentives to the existing employees in the form of better promotional avenues and at the same time requiring the promotees to discharge more onerous duties. Stop. The policy envisaged that additional posts becoming available in the higher grades as a sequel to restructuring of some of the cadres should be filled by promotion by considering such of the employees who satisfy the conditions of eligibility, including the minimum period of service, and who are adjudged suitable by the process of selection. Stop. This cannot be equated with upgradation of posts which are required to be filled by placing the existing incumbents in the higher grade without subjecting them to the rigor of selection. Stop. In view of the above discussion, we hold that the Railway Board did not commit any illegality by directing that the existing instructions with regard to the policy of reservation of posts for scheduled castes and scheduled tribes will apply at the stage of effecting promotion against the additional posts, and the tribunal committed serious illegality by striking down para 14 of letter dated 9/10/2003. Stop. Before parting with this aspect of the case, we consider it necessary to reiterate the settled legal position that matters relating to creation and abolition of posts, formation and restructuring of cadres, prescribing the source, mode of recruitment and qualifications, criteria of selection, evaluation of service records of the employees fall within the exclusive domain of the employer. Stop. What steps should be taken for improving efficiency of the administration is also the preserve of the employer. Stop. The power of judicial review can be exercised in such matters only if it is shown that the action of the employer is contrary to any constitutional or statutory provision, or is patently arbitrary, or is vitiated due to malafide. Stop. The court cannot sit in appeal over the judgment of the employer and ordain that a particular post be filled by direct recruitment or promotion or by transfer. Stop. The court has no role in determining the methodology of recruitment or laying down the criteria of selection. Stop. It is also not open for the court to make comparative evaluation of the merit of the candidates. Stop. The court cannot suggest the manner in which the employer should structure or restructure the cadres for the purpose of improving efficiency of administration. Stop. Nothing in this article shall prevent the state from making any provision for reservation in matters of promotion to any class or classes of posts in the services under the state in favor of the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes which in the opinion of the state are not adequately represented in the services under the state. Stop.